Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see an introduction to development of surfaces. So almost we have completed 15 problems in section of solid and introduction part also uploaded. In development of surfaces comes under unit 4 in engineering graphics. If you take unit 4 unit 4 will be divided into two different half. In first half we will be having section of solid, in second half we will be having development of surfaces. Both the topics are very easy, but from my point of view, what student used to prefer is they will be going with development of surfaces because this is very easy when compared to section of solid. So development of surfaces, what is actually, imagine a solid. So what are the solids you will be doing, like cylinder, prism, pyramid and cone, etc. Whatever may be the solid. Okay, imagine that a solid is enclosed in a wrapper of tin material. Okay, a solid enclosed in a wrapper of tin material such as a paper. If this covering is opened out and laid on a flat plane, the flattened out paper is called the development of the solid. You can also take an example of a matchbox. If you have the matchbox cover and if you remove all these sticks, means if you try to open up on all the sides, you can see the development of the plane or matchbox. Okay, so here also I will give examples. So basically here we will be dealing with two different methods. The first one is parallel line method and second is radial line method. These two methods are very important and we will be getting problem in any one of the above in university examination. So parallel line method means it will be dealing with cylinder and prism. Radial line method will be dealing with cone and pyramid. So cylinder or prism comes means you will be going with parallel line method. If cone or pyramid comes means you will be going with radial line method. See, for an example, take a solid as a cylinder. So this is a cylinder, right? It is enclosed with a wrapper. So what happens? So this is cylinder and you see here this one is a cone. Okay, this one is a cone. So if we unfold the cone, okay, if we unfold the cone, we will be getting a shape like this. So this type is called as radial line method. See here we will be having some radius. So for that particular radius, if we rotate and for particular distance or angle if we know, means we can easily develop the surface. That is the cone, when unfolding the cone, we will be getting a surface like this. So it will be solved by radial line method. Whether it's a cone or pyramid, we will be going with radial line method. The next is cylinder. Cylinder, so this is a cylinder. See what happens when we unwrap the cylinder. So we will be having a rectangular plane like this, a flat rectangular plane like this. So this is the structure which we will be getting. The same thing we will be solving problem also. So just see here. So this is a vertical plane and this is a horizontal plane. So let us check if we keep a solid on this vertical plane or horizontal plane, what kind of front view and top view you will be getting. See, this is a cylinder. If the cylinder is kept on HP, so it is resting on HP. So when you see from top, you can see the circle, right? So in HP, we will be drawing the circle. In front view, we can see a rectangular shape like this. See here, when the cylinder is resting on HP, you will be drawing the base diagram in HP and in front view, you will be getting a rectangle. See, here we are having circle, right? So in HP, we will be having a circle. In case if the cylinder is resting on VP, so we will be drawing the front view as a circle and top view as this rectangle. See here, when the cylinder is resting on HP, the front view will be the circle. So in front view we are drawing the circle and top view will be a rectangular shape. So on top view we are drawing the rectangular shape. So in this case it's a square prism. So the square prism is resting on HP. So when you see from top, you can see the square. So base diagram will be the square that will be drawn in HP. See here, the base diagram is square. It is drawn in top view and front view is a rectangular shape. Okay, front view is a rectangular shape. In front view, you are drawing this type of shape. If you take an example of a square pyramid, see here, the square pyramid is resting on HP. In this condition, the square pyramid is resting on HP. So the front view will be a triangle and top view will be a square. So base diagram we will be drawing in HP. So see here, the base diagram, the top view is a square and front view the top, you when you see from top you can see the square, right? But when you see from top, when you see, you can see the square. So top is a square, front view is a rectangle. Okay, so in front view you are drawing the rectangle. So like this, it's a basic concept. So these things and all we would have explained and gone through in unit 3 and unit 4 itself. So just I am brushing up the basic concept so that you will be having a clear idea while solving the problem. So one thing you just keep in your mind, development of surfaces means we will be dealing with two different types of method. One will be the parallel line method for cylinder and prism. Prism means hexagonal prism, pentagonal prism and so on. Square prism also we can go. And radial line method is for cone and pyramid. Pyramid means square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. So these two things you should keep in your mind. And we will almost, if you see, means 80% or not 80%, almost 70% base diagram and cutting plane and all, whatever we did in section of plane, we will be following the same, and remaining 30% only will differ, and it's very easy to solve the problem and get full 20 marks. So do subscribe our channel by supporting us, and our channel name is Mechanical Motivator, and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all engineering graphics video to your doorstep. Kindly share the videos to your first year students and classmates so that it will be helpful during their preparation. And we also have other playlists too. Kindly go through all the playlists. So whichever department you are belonging to, especially for finding a job, our channel will be helping you a lot during your final years. So stay tuned and keep in touch with the channel and support us by just sharing and subscribing. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.